Say No to Smoking by Sophie Slifer, Reed Matthews, and Abigail Ashley. Do you think smoking is cool? Well, we do not. It can affect your physical appearance, kill you, affect people around you, secondhand smoking, that's what it is, and even affect the environment. First, it can affect your physical appearance. Here are some ways that it can. Wrinkles. How old are you anyways? Stains on your teeth. Painful gums. Discolored nails. You might be smelly. And much more.
Next, and we are just going to come flat out and say it. Kill you. In fact, 400,000 people die from smoking every day. A way you can die from smoking is cancer. It is a slow sickness that is very painful. We bet you anything you would not want to get cancer. Another thing is that 3,000 kids start smoking every day. Is that not crazy?
Also, smoking can affect people around you. That is called secondhand smoking. That is when children or adults breathe in the smoke from cigarettes, pipes, or cigars. That can give their son a disease, which can kill other people. I mean, come on, is that not mean? Lastly, smoking also hurts our environment. The cigarette butts or ends litter our environment. The smoke from the cigarette will hurt it too. So mean. Now, do you think it's terrible to smoke? Well, we hope it did. I guess that's all. Well, bye.